Hi, my name is Tzvi Sheinbrun. I'm a lawyer and notary in Israel. And today I will again, as I did in the past, speak a little bit, just touch the subject that we call criminal law. Criminal law in Israel is completely different from criminal law in America, in Europe, in South America. So let's start about who we are, we the Israeli society. Like it or not, we became a very violent, aggressive society. In the last 10 years, too many changes, too many bad things happening, we became a violent society. In a school, bullying, spouses, just in traffic, everywhere you see violence. Sometimes you can see, sometimes you can't see, but there's violence. The way we talk to each other today, the way you behave in the roads, the way spouses behave between themselves. It's a lot of violence. So the government, the legal system, is trying very hard to put pressure, I would say in general, to minimize violence. Because they believe, I do not, they believe that the legal tool is the best tool to fight violence. In my opinion, there's no way. If you want to fight violence, it's not with legal tools. The tools are education, educating, good education, good example, moral values, not with legal tools, but so far the state of Israel is using the legal tools. So let me tell you what's happening in Israel in 2015. The numbers are more or less this. 35,000 new files were open. More than 35,000 files were open. Criminal cases in the state of Israel in 2015. Out of the 35,000, more than 5,000 cases were found good enough to the DA to have an indictment. So the police review the case, thinks that you are guilty. They can prove in court that you are guilty. Out of the 35,000, 5,000 people were indicted. Out of these cases, 41% regards violence. Chances that you're found guilty in the state of Israel today, I'm just giving you numbers, it's statistics. It's 80%. 80% that you be found guilty. In 2015, 68 cases, 68% of the cases ended as guilty. Just guilty. It doesn't matter, partial guilty, entirely guilty, there are different scales. 41% of the appeals by the state of Israel. I mean, appeal, the state didn't like the punishment, or the guy was not found guilty, so the state appealed. 41% were accepted. In the other side, I would say the citizens, only 38% were accepted. Criminal law in Israel, it's not complicated. What is complicated, or I cannot understand, is why the need for so many indictments. So last week, someone called me and said the police was called in, and he was arrested. And asked why. Well, I was shopping in a supermarket. I forgot a pack of Pampers in the lower part of my chart. I pass the coupa, okay, the cashier, without paying. I didn't pay it, I forgot, I didn't see. Someone came in, someone from security of the supermarket, stopped me, said, "You're stealing." End of the story. An indictment for stealing Pampers. Is this normal? In my vision, in my opinion, no. Well, the supermarket will tell you that 3% of the business they do is called stealing. Yes, 3% of all the merchandise is stolen from the supermarket. It's still indictment for passing the cashier with the Pampers. Watch out for the Pampers. I hope you never need a lawyer. If you need a lawyer, you can contact us. We are most probably not taking care of a criminal case if it's not connected, direct connected to domestic violence. We'll refer to another lawyer, but I hope you won't need it. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching us. Until the next video.